Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to staple a booklet-sized book using a long-reach stapler. If you're new to this, don't worry. I'll walk you through the whole process step by step. This booklet is made up of just 12 sheets of 70 GSM paper. A long-reach stapler can handle up to 20 sheets of 70 GSM paper, plus a 230 GSM binding cover, so we're well within its limits. When you have a thin book like this, stapling is a great option. It's quick, easy, and gives you a clean look. For the cover, I'm using 230 GSM binding paper that's been hot laminated for extra protection. I've already folded it so that the spine will display the book title when it's placed on a shelf. Let's get started. First, grab a bone folder. This tool is super handy because it helps create crisp folds and makes the process smoother. It also doubles as a scorer, and if you've seen my previous video, you know it came with my scoring board. If you're just starting, you can fold 2 sheets at a time, but as you get more comfortable, you can fold up to 6 sheets at once, or even more. Now that all the pages are folded, I'll mark where the staples will go using a ruler and a pencil. Just 2 faint marks on the spine will do the trick. For this, I'm using 24/6 staple wires in my long-reach stapler. Always test the stapler on scrap paper first to check the staple direction. Next, I'll carefully place the folded pages inside the cover, making sure the fold aligns perfectly with the book's spine. To keep everything in place, I'll use 4 paper clips. This step is important. Any small movement can throw off the alignment. Now, I'll position the stapler over the first mark and lock the stopper, so I don't have to measure again. Then, I'll staple the second mark. Let's take a look at how the pages open. As you can see, the book lays flat at 180 degrees, which makes it really easy to use. If you want extra durability, you can add a third staple in the middle. Let's do that now. Finally, I'll use the bone folder again to redefine the spine. The last step is trimming the edges to give it a clean, polished look. And that's it. You now have a neatly stapled, booklet-sized book. This method is super useful for making small notebooks, too. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy DIY tips. See you in the next one.